You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. It was influenced, it's originally somewhat German, although it's also from Holland, gin, also from England. Schnapps is how it's pronounced. The German word has 1 or 2 P's. Schnapps, that's your German pronunciation here. But it also exists in English, and it's pronounced similarly as schnapps, a type of high alcohol with high alcoholic content, a liquor. Schnapps. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.